Times now has accessed the remand copy in the Pune Porsche horror case, and we are getting you the details of this remand copy. The district court has also in fact gone ahead and given police custody of the killer VVIP Brad's father. Let's get you more details. We have Abhishek joining us, but we have more details coming in at this point of time in the Pune Porsche horror case. What is the latest? We've accessed the remand copy, and when it comes to the father, in fact, the remand copy goes on to say that the father of the accused is not cooperating with the police, and hence his further questioning is required by the Pune police. So the charge of non-cooperation has actually been made in the court. The police has also given him notice to join the investigation. When the police gave him the notice to join the investigation, he misled them by stating that he was in Shirdi, but he actually was in Aurangabad from where he was arrested. When he was arrested, he was carrying a simple Nokia phone and was in a car by a company called Kia. And both of these have been confiscated by the police. Now, what did the remand copy? What did the police say while seeking remand? Is that one, that he did not cooperate with the police. We have Abhishek joining us on the phone line. Details of the remand copy have been accessed by Times Now. Non-cooperation charge has been leveled. Number two, how he tried to mislead the police when the police gave him a notice to join the investigation has also been mentioned. What is the latest, Abhishek?
Definitely, that's the reason why Pune police has demanded 7 days custody, but he has been sent to custody till 24th of May. That is around 2 days, and he was non-cooperative. In fact, before the arrest, police had given him a call to be present and be part of the investigation, but he misled the police. He initially said that, he is in 3D, but later he was not present over there as per his information, and then he was arrested from Aurangabad. And on the arrest, he was having a simple mobile phone of a Nokia and also a car of a different number, which is not his own car. These are the several things done by Vishal Agrawal to escape the arrest, but finally he was arrested from Aurangabad. And also, there were two other accused, the staff of the bar who were produced today, and also police has mentioned that these staff were also non-cooperative on asking that on whose membership these people were allowed, and they were given alcohol. These are the remand on which basis the police have got the remand of Vishal Agrawal along with the other two accused who are said to be the staff members of the pub are being given custody till 24th of May.
Right.
And on that note, it is required that Vishal Agrawal should be custodially interrogated to get further details of the entire case, and Pune police has got his custody till 24th of May.
So the minor's father, the killer in this case, the father has been sent to 2-day custody, which is till the 24th of May. We've accessed the remand copy, and the remand copy goes on to make there are some stunning revelations there. One, that there is non-cooperation, not only on the part of the accused father, but also on the part of the owners and the managers of the clubs where alcohol was served to the minor before he took his supercar, zoomed it on the roads, and mowed down two people. Two people have lost their lives, and there is a demand. There has been anger over that bail order, which said that you should write an essay as a punishment. And now the father has been remanded to custody. We'll also get our colleagues to join us from the newsroom to read out the operative parts of the remand order. But Abhishek continues to stay with us on the phone line. What more did you gather? All right, we'll also get you more details of this. But for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, the accused's father, the VVIP brat who killed two people using his supercar, his father was arrested, and he has now been remanded to custody, to police custody till the 24th of May. What did the police say in its remand? One, that there has been non-cooperation. He was not cooperating with the police, and that is why further remand is required. When the police sent a notice to this builder to join the investigation, he misled them saying that he was in Shirdi, but he actually was in Aurangabad from where he was arrested. His car and his phone has been confiscated. We have to take a short break here on Times Now, but we'll be back. Stay with us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.